Hi all. So I posted a video back then, like how the display on the dehumidifier was not displaying properly. So I contacted Hiniso support, and they immediately replied back to me, and they asked to send a video and a picture and the product sticker details, and they told there was two ways to fix this one. One thing is like I could get the product shipped to them, and it would take around 7 to 10 days to for them to change it. The other way was I could do the replacement on my own. It was a small chip in the front, and they sent me a video on how to replace it, and I thought it was quite easy to do, and it would give me a chance to open and clean the dehumidifier myself. So I got they sent the product in one day very quickly. So this is the opener for opening this one, and this is the chip that needs to be replaced. So I'll work on the unit when I'm free, and I'll show the progress on how it is done. Hi guys, so I'm working on the repair. So as I said earlier, I got the part to replace from the support team. So the first thing is to pop open this one. So the first part is done. I have opened the covering part. So there are some screws now that I need to open. So I'm just using a powered screwdriver to open it. There are three screws at the back. So with that, we removed the top assembly. Now I just need to remove this part, and I just have a clean later of the fan and stuff. So there's a lot of dust, so all I have to do is pop this open and I can put the display unit there. So let me check that how to do. So I've removed the cap. So apparently this is the faulty display unit. So I just need to take it out. So there are just two screws holding it. I just have to remove the two screws. So I cleaned a bit inside the unit, and this was the amount of dust was there on the fan. So this was the unit that was faulty, and the display was not coming correctly. So they have sent me a replacement unit of this, so I'll attach that one. So this is the replacement unit that is sent. So I'll attach this one. So I've replaced the unit. I just want to do a quick test and see whether it works or not. Hope not to touch anything. Yeah, as you can see, the display is displaying correctly now. Clean light. There is no missing numbers. So this is working. So I'll just put it all back together now. Ah, that went. It's quite nice how modular these are. So I'll just need to screw it back in. I always recommend getting this one if you don't have a stable hand like mine. My hands are quite shaky, so I prefer to do it in one because if you shake a lot while putting the screwdriver in, you can get a wrong thread in. So I'll put the unit back in. From now it is easy. I'll just need to put this one back. I'll just clean it up a bit before putting. One or two screws fell off somewhere down. I'm searching for it. Two screws left. Alright, I found the last screw. So that's put in. All I have to do is put in this cover. And that's it. The replacement is done. That was quite easy and quite nice. I could do it. Let me just test if it works by powering it on. Yeah, as you can see, the display is now fixed. It was blanking out earlier, so the display is fixed and working nicely now. Good support. They sent the support in support part in one day. Yeah. So if you have this unit and if you're facing this display is blinking, so this is the part that has to be replaced. They can replace it or you can replace it yourself as I've done. Thanks for watching.